Hey guys, what's up and welcome back. And today I'm going to be reviewing this Kriss blade, Stiletto Switchblade.
More problem eliminated.
So you live to die another day.
Now in terms of looks, this knife is absolutely beautiful. The blade is very shiny and gorgeous, and the wooden handle is just amazing. The knife has a great locking mechanism. The knife will not open your pocket, it's very solid. It has a great solid action, it's beautiful. Closing the knife is very simple. Printed on the blade is Italian Milano, and on the other side is China. I'm not sure what company makes this, it doesn't state, or what kind of steel it is. The knife comes with a very horrible quality sheath that has a belt loop, but the knife fits in there very nice. The sheath is very shaky, but I mean, the knife comes out fine. And here's the knife in pocket. You're much better carrying the knife in pocket, rather than with the sheath. I mean, it's horrible quality. Now, I'm gonna be honest, the knife isn't sharp at all. I mean, it's horrible. This is the best cut it can make for $20. Now, should you buy this knife? In all honesty, no. It's more of a collector's piece or a novelty. I mean, you can buy a lot better knives for $20. But if you're looking for a cool switchblade to add to your knife collection for a cheap price, then this might be the knife for you. So thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.